Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today what we're going to be talking about is what are negative exponents, and we're going to do it again in less than 5 minutes. So we have this example problem, 3 to the negative 2. And in order to solve this, we need to first understand what a reciprocal is, this word right here. So reciprocal basically means if you have a number such as 4, you're going to basically flip it upside down. And so the reciprocal of 4 is 1/4. What if I have a fraction? What is the reciprocal of 1/2? The reciprocal of 1/2 is 2. Okay, so now that we understand that, we're going to basically use that concept to solve 3 to the negative 2. So when we take the reciprocal of 3 to the negative 2, that is 1 over 3 squared. And notice one thing, right? The negative 2 actually turns into a positive 2, right? So just to give one more example about that, let's say if I have 2 to the negative 3, the reciprocal of 2 to the negative 3 is 1 over 2 to the positive 3, okay? So to understand this, what we do is once we get the reciprocal of this, now we actually can solve this. So 3 squared, we all know that is 3 times 3, and that's 9. All right, so now we have 1 over 9. And so that is your final answer.